The second demo, although is report visualization, one of the key things you should try not to do is use pie charts. Pie charts are one of the worst charts you can use. Now, what for example, if you look at this is North region. Well, this is not really a pie chart example, but sometimes we kind of present things in a table form. If you present things in a table form, it's fine, but if you're trying to tell a story, most times it's a chart or a graph that will make sense. So looking at this, you will not see any particular trend. But if I show you this to the right, which is called a slope graph, this slope graph tells us a story. You can see that Lagos has gone down, or you want to focus your audience's attention on Lagos. So you use color. Color is something called a pre-attentive attribute. So you use color to focus attention. Don't put too much color everywhere. Just put color, use it very sparingly to focus attention. Obviously, your eyes have gone to Lagos, and you saw Lagos went down from 40% to 30%. And then you can see what happened between 2015 and 2016 for everybody. Just simple slope graph makes a lot more sense than a table. Another example is a pie chart. Now, if you look at this pie chart, here we're trying to say, okay, we are distributors and we're selling various products. So I sell Coca-Cola, Fanta, Maltina, Pepsi, Origin. And the thing about pie charts is very difficult to understand which one is bigger than the other because it's not so easy when you look at a pie. When you're looking at a pie, like 24% and 22% kind of look similar. If we hadn't typed 24%, we wouldn't know that. So there's another chart called a square graph or a square. It's just a square of 100 squares. And in those 100 squares, you basically use color to delineate what it is you're showing. So this is a square graph. Now, Excel doesn't have this, obviously, but there is a tool in Power BI Desktop that has it, but most of us use Excel. So how do we create this in Excel? So I'm going to rush through how you do that. I'm going to rush through it in 5 minutes. Obviously, it may take you a bit longer. So how do you create this kind of chart in Excel that automates it? Now you can see that I've written some statements at the top. Pepsi has the largest market share this month at 24%. Fanta is ranked second at 22%, Coca-Cola third at 20%, Origin 19%, and Maltina with the least at 15%. This is clear and a better presentation than this, right? And so what we'll do now is let's see how we can easily, I'll give you the framework for how you build this yourself on Excel. Now, anyone that would like to have access to it, what you could do is you could join our, I'll give you this promise. If you join our POG group, that is our Power BI user group in Microsoft, the Microsoft Power BI user group, I'll give you access to the template that I'm about to show you. So I'll just put that template up there. So I've given you something to do to get access. Thanks for watching another training video from dbrownconsulting. See you in the next video.